Hey everyone, it's your favorite hair guru back again to help you keep those luscious locks looking absolutely fire. So you just got your hair colored and it's looking bomb.com. But now you're probably wondering, how do I keep it this vibrant and healthy? Don't worry babes, I got you covered. In this video, I'm spilling all the tea on how to keep your color-treated hair looking fresh AF. We're talking everything from the right shampoo to the best heat protectants, so you can keep slaying every single day. Let's do this. First things first, let's talk shampoo. If you're rocking colored hair, you need a shampoo that's going to treat your strands right. And that means ditching the sulfates, babes. Sulfates are harsh detergents that can strip your hair of its natural oils and fade your color faster than you can say split ends. Look for shampoos that are specifically formulated for color-treated hair and free of sulfates. Some of my personal faves are Redken Color Extend Magnetics, Pureology Hydrate Shampoo, and Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Alright folks, listen up because this is crucial. Deep conditioning is non-negotiable for colored hair. It's like giving your hair a tall glass of water after a long, thirsty day. Deep conditioners penetrate the hair shaft, delivering intense moisture and helping to repair any damage caused by the coloring process. Now, you can totally splurge on a fancy salon-quality deep conditioner, but honestly, sometimes the best remedies are found right in your kitchen. Whip up a DIY hair mask with 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 mashed avocado. Slap that goodness on your hair, let it sit for 30 minutes, and rinse with cool water. Your hair will be softer and shinier than ever. I know, washing your hair every day feels oh so good. But trust me, when it comes to colored hair, less is more. Washing too frequently can strip your hair of its natural oils and fade your color faster. Aim to wash your hair no more than 2 or 3 times a week. And in between washes, don't be afraid to embrace the dry shampoo, babes. Dry shampoo is a lifesaver for absorbing excess oil and keeping your hair looking fresh. Just sprinkle a little at the roots, massage it in, and you're good to go. Chapter 4. Cool it down. Okay, this one's a game changer. Hot water is the enemy of colored hair. I know, a steaming hot shower feels amazing, but it's wreaking havoc on your color. Hot water opens up the hair cuticle, which allows the color molecules to escape, leading to faster fading. Instead, opt for cool or lukewarm water when washing your hair. Cool water helps to seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and preserving your vibrant color. Chapter 5. Serums and leave-ins, your hair's bodyguards. Think of hair serums and leave-in conditioners as the bodyguards for your colored hair. They're here to protect and serve. These miracle workers provide an extra layer of moisture, nourishment, and protection from environmental aggressors like heat styling and UV rays. Apply a small amount of serum or leave-in conditioner to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Some of my go-to products include It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In and Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosako Milk Leave-In Conditioner. They'll leave your hair feeling silky smooth and looking absolutely radiant. Listen, we all love a good blowout or some beachy waves, but excessive heat styling can be a death sentence for colored hair. Heat can cause dryness, breakage, and color fading, so it's important to use heat styling tools sparingly. When you do heat style, always, and I mean always, use a heat protectant spray. This will create a barrier between your hair and the heat, minimizing damage. And remember, lower heat settings are your friend. You don't need to fry your hair to get the look you want. Just like your skin, your hair needs protection from the sun's harmful UV rays. UV exposure can cause color-treated hair to fade, dry out, and become brittle. When you're spending time outdoors, especially during peak sun hours, protect your hair by wearing a hat or scarf. You can also use hair products that contain UV filters, like a Veda Protective Hair Veil or Paul Mitchell Color Protect Locking Spray. These products will help to shield your hair from the sun's damaging rays, keeping your color vibrant and your hair healthy. Last but not least, let's talk about trims. I know, getting your hair trimmed can feel counterintuitive when you're trying to grow it long, but trust me, regular trims are essential for maintaining healthy, vibrant hair, especially if it's color treated. Split ends are like the plague of the hair world. They travel up the hair shaft, causing further damage and keep your hair looking its best. Last but not least, let's talk about trims. I know, getting your hair trimmed can feel counterintuitive when you're trying to grow it long, but trust me, regular trims are essential for maintaining healthy, vibrant hair, especially if it's color treated. Split ends are like the plague of the hair world. They travel up the hair shaft, causing further damage and breakage. By trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks, you'll get rid of those pesky split ends, prevent further damage, and keep your hair looking its best. And there you have it, folks. Follow these tips to keep your color-treated hair looking fabulous and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, stay gorgeous.